Hey, today we're doing something I've been wanting to do for a long time. We're making some New Orleans barbecue shrimp. You don't need a grill for this. You can cook it on the grill, of course. You can cook it on the stovetop. I'm going to cook it on a little burner out here on my back porch. For the ingredients today, we need about 1/3 cup of white wine. I got a teaspoon of minced ginger, about 1.5 tablespoons of chopped parsley. We've got a pound of shrimp. We're going to need a tablespoon or 2 of olive oil. And then you can use 2 tablespoons of Creole seasoning. I didn't have that, so I made up my own. I'll put the exact measurements in the description box, but what we've got here is some smoked paprika, some oregano, some thyme, salt, pepper, and ancho chili powder. And I don't know if I mentioned it, I also got some onion powder in there. And the final thing we need is some butter. I'm going to start out here with a couple of tablespoons. And I'm going to put, like I said, 1 tablespoon or 2 of olive oil in here. Okay, we're going to add that white wine in. Get everything all good and melty. Okay, we got that garlic, minced garlic. All right. And then we've got our seasoning mix. I'm telling you, does it ever smell good? Okay, and it doesn't take long to get this all blended in. Right, smells good, looking good. I think we've probably been about 4 minutes. Okay, now we're going to add in these peeled and deveined shrimp. Okay, and we'll probably cook these, and I've got this burner on about medium. You just want to cook them till they're done. It probably won't take 5 or 6 minutes. Okay. Then the final thing I'm going to add in here is that parsley. Alright, we've been right about 5 minutes. You can see the shrimp have that nice translucent color. I'm going to turn the heat off. Okay. Now I've got 2 more tablespoons of butter. Alright, and what I did is I cut it in half, so that's 1 tablespoon there. I'm going to get that melted in, and as soon as it's melted, I'm going to add that final tablespoon of butter. Okay, got it right there. And as soon as I get this tablespoon melted, we're going to plate a few of these up and give them a try. Oh yeah. So we're just going to put a few of those shrimp there. How about that? Okay, a little bit of that awesome sauce. Okay, no other reason than just decoration. A little parsley back here. Let's give one of these bad boys a try. This is just busting with flavor. Now, I made these hoping my kids would eat some too, so I didn't put any hot sauce in them. You could definitely put some cayenne in there, or you can put the ancho chili, but you know, that's not too hot, the ancho chili powder. It took me 5 minutes to make up the seasoning. It took me more time to peel and devein the shrimp than anything. 5 minutes to make the sauce, 5 minutes to make the shrimp. You can make this dish, it's awesome, in less than half an hour, right? You could cook up some rice with it. This New Orleans barbecue shrimp is just a great, easy way to get a lot of flavor on shrimp and make it really, really quick. Hey, if you have any questions or comments about this video, I hope you just leave it down in the description or in the comments section below. And if you're not a subscriber already, hit that little armadillo icon, and that'll make sure you're subscribed for all of our new videos.